Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the monitor's EDID and native maximum, open system info, and the monitor OSD. Once done, install the GPU drivers and a custom resolution utility like CRU or the vendor control panel. Make sure to back up the existing EDID and create a system restore point. This protects you if settings misbehave. Now, launch the custom resolution tool and prepare to add a new detailed timing entry. Do not apply multiple changes at once. You will add a custom resolution using detailed timing parameters. Enter pixel clock, horizontal and vertical totals, and sync widths precisely. Once saved, apply the new mode and test at a conservative refresh like 60 Hz. If stable, try 75 Hz incrementally. Make sure the pixel clock remains within cable and GPU limits. Exceeding those causes artifacts. If your tool offers reduced blanking, use it to lower the pixel clock. Finally, reboot or restart the graphics driver to lock the mode in. You finish by confirming the display accepts the new mode and checking for scaling artifacts or dropped pixels. Use native scaling settings to avoid distortion. If the screen goes blank or garbled, immediately revert to your saved EDID or boot into safe mode and undo the custom mode. If instability persists, reduce refresh rate or switch to reduced blanking. Also consider a higher spec cable or direct connection without adapters. One key tip: always keep your EDID backup and restore path ready before every change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.